Let's walk through the process of installing the Patio Roof Riser base plates into rafter tails made from typical 2x material. We'll do this by installing both end base plates and with the aid of a string line, install the middle bases. We first need to locate the exterior wall and mark its location on the roof. With a level, or in this case a combination square, measure from the exterior wall to the outer edge of the gutter. Transfer this measurement to the roof. We now know the location of the exterior wall. The Patio Roof Riser hardware is designed and engineered to be installed below this line or outside the building envelope. Now let's locate the rafters and mark their location on the roof. If your house has open soffits, simply measure from either end of the house to the rafter and mark its location on the roof. If your house has closed soffits and you cannot see your rafter tails, slightly lift the roofing material to find a sheathing joint, which commonly indicates a rafter center. Transfer this location to the roof. When installing the Patio Roof Riser base plates into rafter tails, it is crucial that we install the mounting lag screws into the exact center of the rafters. This can be done by probing for the edges of the rafter tails using a 1/16 inch drill bit. Starting from the assumed center line we've made, measure over 3/4 of an inch and probe for the edge of the rafter. These micro holes are going to be sealed by the butyl when we install the base plates. Once we have found the edge, measure over 1.5 inches and probe for the other side. With both sides of the rafter now located, we can mark the exact center. Using the base plate as a guide, pre-drill the holes for the 3/8 inch mounting lag screws with a 5/16 inch drill bit. Remove the protective paper from the butyl on the bottom of the base plate. Once this paper is removed, the butyl is extremely sticky. Do not remove the paper until you are ready to install the base. Carefully set the riser in place, ensuring proper alignment with the pre-drilled holes. Using a 9/16 inch socket, install the 3/8 inch lag screws until the pre-installed washers on the lags compress against the base plate and the butyl slightly exudes from the sides, creating a watertight seal. We will now repeat this process for the other end. With the exterior wall and rafter marked, probe for the center of the rafter. Pre-drill the holes, remove the butyl paper, and install the lags. With both end base plates installed, we can now install our middle bases. First, we will run a string line between them to ensure a straight beam line. With the string line in place, measure the span or distance between the end base plates and mark the center of this span. Locate the closest rafter to this mark and probe for the center. Using the string line as a guide, position and install the remaining bases.